as graphics cards become more power efficient, and previously large components like drives take up less space than ever. The demand for compact gaming PCs is growing. It sounds nice, doesn't it? An Xbox-sized PC, whirring away next to your 4K TV or monitor, without taking up the right half of your desk. Many companies are trying to pack a high-end GPU and a nice CPU into an Xbox-sized chassis. Acer's attempt is only 4 inches wide and 13 inches tall. It boasts a Core i7 6700, 32 GB of RAM, and NVIDIA's GTX 1080, with Predator branding leaking from the seams. Acer isn't the only one with a small chassis. However, the Predator G1 has serious competition in the form of systems like the beautiful and powerful U and the newly redesigned. These are powerful rigs from tried-and-true gaming manufacturers, and they've never failed to win us over. Will the Predator G1 find itself in good company, or does it have some catching up to do? The smallest Predator desktop takes a design language from the larger computers in the line. With a futuristic tank tread appearance, it's adorned with red highlights for the high-contrast look gaming companies are into nowadays. Not that there's anything wrong with that, the G1's execution is clean, sturdy, and attractive. It's small, too, at just 14 inches tall and 5 inches wide. The G1 is about 2 inches larger in each direction than an Xbox One, and much smaller than mid-tower gaming PCs. It's deeper than the Tiki and Origin, and 1/3 of an inch wider. All three systems are quite heavy, but the Acer's odd power adapter, which is just 2 mobile power supplies clipped into a frame, helps cut some weight. All three systems are sturdy, attractive, and stable. So the real question comes down to one of preference. The Predator G1 wears its gaming intent on its sleeve, while the Origin Chronos E is a more subdued take on the look, with a few red highlights here and there. The Falcon Northwest Tiki, meanwhile, is downright elegant, something the Acer can't claim. The G1 is obviously a gaming system, with colorful LEDs up front and a tank tread wraparound look around the back of the case. Users will find 4 USB 3.0 ports, 6-port audio, and Ethernet. In addition, the graphics card provides a set